welcome to the preview video of Data Analytics course powered by iTUX. We are going to go through a few of the slides where we mention why this course matter, who can do this course, what is the job situation of this course, overview about the course, and what are the things that sets us apart from the rest of the industry. So, the very first question we are going to ask ourselves is why this course matter? Why is data important? So, as we all know that data is being created by the industry on a very high level on a daily basis. To understand this data, to provide insights from this kind of data, we need skilled data analysts who can handle the tools that help them clean the data, create visualization through that data, and provide insights to the stakeholders of the corporation. So the question arises, who can do this course? Who are eligible for this course? I would say graduates, freshers from different fields, professionals who are looking for a job change, who already have experience in a different field, individuals who are just curious about data analysis, and this course doesn't require any prior experience in data because this course covers from the very basics of the data analysis. Now that we have learned about why this course matter, who are eligible for this course, then the question comes up, what is the job situation of data analyst? We have found more than 80,000 job openings on naukri.com. Please don't listen to us. You do have your phones, you can check it yourself about the job opportunities. And in diverse industries, health, I would say finance, e-commerce, and we have also found out that the annual income of a data analyst is up to 7 to 8 lakh per annum on an average, depending on the experience and expertise on the tool that he use. If you complete the course, you'll become a data analyst. Once you complete the course, you'll have an open way to become data engineer or data scientist, depending on the studies or depending on the tools that you learn after this course. To get the overview of the course, the tools that we are going to cover in our course that are used by a data analyst on a daily basis is Excel. The very first one is Excel. We all know that Excel is being used by multiple industries and multiple employees on a very daily basis. Of course, this is also used by a data analyst. SQL, of course, you have heard this language before in multiple job openings for a data analyst. SQL is a language to talk to a database and retrieve data accordingly. Now, at the end, we are going to cover Power BI dashboarding, where we'll learn to visualize data and provide KPIs as per our stakeholders' requirement. At the end, I just wanna let you know that what are the things that sets us apart from the other people who are providing the same kind of services. We are going to have practical exercises for each of the topic that we are going to cover in our class. Interview preparation is something that we are going to do after the class, after the course has been completed. We have gathered the questions that has been asked by multiple interviewers during a data analyst interview. Now, job assistance is something that we are also going to provide you so that your profile stands out on naukri.com and other platforms. Hands-on experience on projects, that is something that we are going to work on during the course so that projects are also included on your GitHub profile as well as on your resume, where it will be an highlight for the recruiter. Networking opportunities on LinkedIn and other platforms so that your profile is highlighted to the recruiter in every way possible. Of course, by the end of the course, you will be having you will be having the recordings of every session that has been happened during this process, where you will be able to go back to that exact video where you learned a certain topic, so that you don't confuse yourself or during a confusion. So you are going to have a lifelong subscription to this. By the end of the video, I just want to say that the rest of the information is available on our website, where it is mentioned when the next batch is going to start, what are the timing of those batches, and so that you can plan accordingly as per your convenience. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.